Jack, and last month on the 3rd, Apple announced iPadOS 13 and iOS 13. But today we're going to be going through the top 6 features of iPadOS 13. Starting with number 1, which you probably have already heard about, is dark mode. On dark mode, you can activate it by going into the control center or accessing it through settings. There's also schedules that can go along with this, and it will act like the computer macOS Mojave when the sand and the daylight temperature goes up and down at the certain times of day. Okay, so moving on, we got the quick type keyboard, which now you can slide out with just the tap of 2 fingers, and you will be able to move the keyboard around anywhere on the screen. And next up we have the All Windows button, which will show all the open tabs that you got for like a certain app like Safari, because now you can have like 3 Safaris open in different apps, and when you do a 3D press or a long hold press, there will be a new Show All Windows button, and when you click that, it will show all the windows that will have Safari or whatever app you are using in them. Another cool feature is the new swipe keyboard. When you swipe on the keyboard, the phone's AI will detect what word you're thinking of writing, and it will put it on the screen. It's not 100% correct, but it still works. Another noticeable change is the new pinned widgets on the home screen. With this, you can now have widgets that are built into the home screen, but they are only locked up onto the left-hand side of the main screen. You can customize this in the Control Center Customizer on the bottom of the screen. You can choose which ones are locked into the screen 24/7, but then if you swipe down, you can find all of the widgets that you have all at once. And the final noteworthy feature for iOS 13 is the new copy and paste features. For copy, you can either zoom in, and if you want to paste, you just zoom out. At the top of the screen, it will show a copy or a paste where the new ringer bar comes down. And if you want to cut, right after you zoom in for copy, you tap it another time and it will cut. So that about wraps it up for the top 6 features of iPadOS 13. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe below.